In my hand is an item that I honestly never thought I would have in my hand. This is the Senstone. It's a portable voice assistant. It's like a note-taking little thing that it's like a lapel that you kind of just attach on, and you just click on it and it should be able to take notes for you. It's for people who have a lot of ideas, need to jot notes, or just easy access to record your own voice. And when I backed this in 2016, I had high hopes, right? It got a lot of media coverage. But man, I have been on a horrible Indiegogo Kickstarter slide. Like, everything I have been backing has not seen the light of day. I just wanted to say, crowdsourcing is a great thing, but at the same time, there's so many dangers to it, and you have to know. I am so aware that crowdsourcing is an investment. You give your money without a guarantee of a return. Just like stocks, you never know if it goes high or low. You can make a smart investment, but even a smart investment may never come to fruition. You kind of lose hope on it, and especially when you don't see something for 4 years or close to 4 years, and you don't hear from them for like a year and a half. Like, they went radio silence for a good amount of time. And, I lost my money on the game ban. A lot of media coverage. You kind of thought maybe that was a sure thing too. Was not. And I can just go down the line of my failed investments. But I am very shocked to receive this. And my life has changed dramatically from when I ordered this in 2016 or backed it in 2016. My profession, my career, it's all changed. My intended usage of this is no longer the same. So I'm really curious to open this up and see what it's about. So let's do it. So through this lid here, you can actually see what the Senstone looks like. I actually had to go back to Indiegogo and take a look at the photos again because I forgot what it looked like. It's bigger than I originally thought it would have been. So I wonder what it's going to look like on my jacket or on my collar. We'll see where we mount this thing. On the back we have Senstone, and it says Portable Voice Assistant, compatible with iOS and Android, patent pending. So let's open this up. There we go. Simple as that. It looks like a little pendant. Very cute. And it is actually just a clip. There we go. This is all it is. There is a physical button right here that you can click. I assume this is the on and off button, and also the button that you press to record. We're gonna turn it on and try it out. But there is also a clip here that you can rotate. Yep, it does rotate for it to come off. So you can mount it to something else if you would like to. But you just rotate it to lock it into place. You rotate it to get it off of the place in the ridges. Finally, and you can see it's very reflective. It looks very cheap though. I have to say, it looks very cheap in the camera right now. You see the reflection on that, it's very glossy. Although it is unobtrusive, you won't really notice it too much when it's clipped onto your shirt. We'll put that down really quickly. Let's see what else is in here. I assume there has to be some information because there's not much information online. There is a sticker, limited 1-year warranty. Oh, very simple instructions here. Let's take a look at this. It says charging the pendant. Connect with the app, press a button to record, speak to it, searching for smartphone, and recording is the green light. Error is the red light, and rotate the clip as we did. You can wear it as a pendant, like I said. Auto synchronization with your phone app, and the factory set is you hold it for 4 seconds. So not much information there that we need to learn. Let's see what we have here. I wonder, I think the pendant, right? If you wanted to make it like a pendant, you actually have to buy a additional thing there. Here's the charging cradle. It is proprietary, and it is unremovable here. So it is one-sided to a USB-A that you have to put into your own brick. And then I assume you can actually rest it in with the clip-on. And it looks like that, and you just plug it in, and it should be good to go. So I'm going to go set this up, and we'll try it out. All right, so it's the next day, and I've had these Senstone clipped onto my jackets, onto my shirts for almost an entire day now, and I've been just using it on and off, and I remember now why I was attracted to this project in the first place and why I actually paid money on Indiegogo to support this, to back this. So what this Senstone actually is, it's an audio recorder that also transcribes directly onto your phone. So what you have to do, there's a button on the side, there's only one button. You click on the button, and you'll hear a click, and you can see it's blinking green. So that means it's actually recording right now, and everything I'm saying, the Senstone is recording, and on the phone app, it is transcribing it so we have a written physical copy of it. Now, you could also be saying, hey, Alex, well, instead of paying $100-something for this, I could just hold my phone and turn on a voice recorder and just physically type out your transcript yourself. Yes, that's true, but that also takes more time. What this actually does is it's recording everything I'm saying, and it's already transcribing, so the minute I pull out the app, it has it all there for me. It saves a lot of time. So as you can see on my phone on the Senstone app, it is waiting for the audio to be processed, and it will transcribe it so that it will have a physical copy of all the words that I recited in my conversation with the Senstone, and I'll have a physical copy of it. That's really cool. I'll show you guys once it's done processing. That was a rather long clip, probably like a minute and a half, so it will take a little longer. The shorter the clip, the easier it is for it to process it. Okay, so it took a little bit of time. That actually took like maybe 3-4 minutes. It is rather long. I did record for a little bit of time. I'm gonna play the recording and you guys can see how accurate or not it is. And you'll hear a click, and you can see it's blinking green. So that means it's actually recording right now, and everything I'm saying, the Senstone is recording, and on the phone app, it is transcribing it so we have a written physical copy of it. So the coolest thing about this is, say like you're like me, you're driving down the street, and most of the time, a lot of these reviews, these thoughts I have about a phone or a computer that I'm taking a look at, I just start thinking about my experience with those devices for my review. I don't know about you guys, but a lot of my ideas, a lot of my, thought process for videos, for articles, just happen randomly, just in the middle of the day while I'm driving, and in quiet times when I'm out for a walk, or just sitting down with nothing to do. Something pops in my mind. My mind's always working. And sometimes it's hard to jot down things on a piece of paper or on your phone. Clicking on this and verbally saying it, it just keeps the flow going. So it's not 100% accurate, but I am surprised at how accurate it currently is. So you will miss a few words here and there, but because you also have that recording on your phone, you can just add in the words manually into your transcript. So for what the Senstone actually is, it's pretty nice to use. I do like the form factor. It's cute, it's not too obtrusive, and it does something that is beneficial to certain people. It only has one job that it can do. I do wish that it records the audio a little louder from what I see on the app. It just doesn't record it too loud, but it is rather accurate enough for me to continue on and do what I need to do. You also have to keep it in a certain vicinity around your face so that it hears what you're saying. Overall, I am pretty happy with this. I don't know if it's worth a 4-year wait that we waited for to get this thing, but I am happy with the product, and it does what it advertised it was supposed to do. Yeah, I mean, just getting a product from Kickstarter or Indiegogo is a big win already. Even though this was years later from what they said they were going to produce it and ship it out to you by, I'm happy just to get it. I've been spurned and burned by crowdsourcing. And if you are interested in this, I'll provide a link in the description below. Once again, my name is Alex with Hypnotech. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to stay tuned. We're going to have a lot of other cool tech videos coming in the near future. I'll see you guys next time.
And that's it. Be sure to subscribe here. Hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our videos. And check out our other videos right here. Until next time.